Today we have a video from Body Cam Files, and the title of the video is "Man Terrorizes Girl Skating at Park Ends Badly."
Park where a man has just exposed himself to a girl that was skating in the park.
What's going on today?
Nothing, just took a walk down the park.
Okay. So we're just meeting with the victim. She's over by the park. What are you doing out here today? So put that bottle down.
Just hanging out down there.
Anything you need to know about? Anything that's going to cut me or anything?
There's a knife right here.
Okay, don't pull it out. That's how you get shot,
No,
right? Face that way. Okay, I'm going to check it, all right? I'm just going to check it for any weapons. Is it a knife?
It's right there.
Any firearms or anything?
No.
I'm not gonna search your pockets. I'm just going to pat you down, okay?
That's enough. That's a good try.
Man,
Good, man.
guys don't pay attention to directions very well, right? It says turn face that way. Did he say put your hands on the? Did he say put your hands on the?
Anything that's going to cut me or anything?
There's a knife right here.
Okay, don't pull it out. That's how you get shot,
No,
right? Face that way. Okay, I'm going to check it, all right? I'm just going to check it for any weapons. Is it a knife?
It's right there.
Any firearms or
Oh, okay, so he doesn't say it because I'm looking at it and I would be like, turn face your vehicle, put your hands on your vehicle, put your hands high on the vehicle, something like that. But he doesn't say that, so I'm not gonna say nothing then.
anything? I'm not gonna search your pockets. I'm just gonna pat you down, okay?
That's enough. That's a good try.
See, because his hand reaching down there like that and everything. Oof.
54, I'm 1012. I just need someone to get with the victim. All right.
Man, they hanging out there, sunbathing.
You were sunbathing?
Yeah.
Sunbathing.
Down further down where nobody can see me.
Where's that at?
Down that trail down there.
Okay.
So,
Do you sunbathe with your clothes on, or you do it with no clothes on?
some, I mean, here, hanging out here.
Well, tell me about it.
What's up?
What usually happens? Do you sunbathe at the park naked? Like that's
Sometimes.
okay.
Get my clothes back on quickly, if possible. If anything
Well, you know
happens.
the park's not really the place for that, my man.
Well, I know. It's a
Do you have an ID on you?
wide open spot.
Oh, I mean, yeah, if it's
Yeah, go to a nude beach for all of that.
This is your van? This is not your van. This is some van.
Some man.
Where do you live at?
I live over in Oka.
What are you doing over here? You drive here?
No, buddy dropped me off.
Oh. Bro, there's 2729 by number. You might hang out with this gentleman real quick?
Sure.
Don't go anywhere, sir.
Hello. So what was happening?
So like,
Hey, let's go in the shade because if you have the video, I need to see it, and it's hard to see in the shade in the sun.
I'm skating and I was just like going back there, like the back trails, because like there's not a lot of places to skate here. And I saw on like Google Maps there's like a bridge over there, so I was trying to get to the bridge, but I didn't know where it was. So like I was walking that way, I saw him, and I just have social anxiety, so I turned around. And then like he came up to me, he was just like making small talk, like, you know, like, how you doing? Do you come here often? Like, what are you doing? And I was like, I was trying to look for the bridge, so he helped me towards the bridge. And I'm a people pleaser, so like, I didn't want to be like, hey, I don't need your help. So he helped me towards the bridge. I crossed it, it was fine. He like, you know, did his own thing. And like on the way back, I don't know, he was just like, I think he had a beer in his hand or something. And then he like turned around and his dick was out. And he was just like, you know, do you want to like have some fun or something?
Get a video of that?
Yeah, I have it on video.
Where are your parents? Like, you might call your parents? We'll look at video, then we'll call your parents.
Yeah, hold on. I was thinking about it.
Since she was over here skating and went over by the bridge.
I don't know which one it was. Just in case there's strangers here. I can't.
Let me see if I can.
Now you know why I said we'll go in the shade.
Yeah, that's good enough.
Is that a video?
Okay, Sarge. Sarge is on the case, man. He said, what? What? Oh, that's enough. Oh, yeah. Dudes is weirdos, man. Real creeps, man. First of all, what does an old guy like that, even talking to, like weirdo. Oh, what you doing over here? Skating? Like, what type of weirdo stuff? You look like you could be her grandfather, man.
Yeah.
Can you do me a favor? I'm gonna send you a link to upload that video to me. If you can do that. Are you already out of school for the day, or?
I don't go to school right now.
Okay.
For other reasons, but.
Right.
If you cannot afford an attorney, one will provide it for you. Do you understand these rights?
Well, maybe you should be going to school. Maybe you should be going to school, man. Because, yeah, that's a good question. What the heck are you even doing out here? Shouldn't you be in school?
If you cannot afford an attorney, one will provide it for you. Do you understand these rights?
What am I being charged with?
Okay, I can't talk about until I read these, okay? So during any time during question, you can stop and request an attorney, right? With these rights in mind, you should speak to me now.
What's going on?
Well, something happened with you and a juvenile, and I'm trying to figure out what's going on.
Oh,
so
yeah, I did, man. Dude, some girl with a skateboard passed me by. Dude, that's
okay.
it.
Well, hold on. Do you want to talk to me now?
I'm telling you, yes.
Okay.
She passed me by.
Okay.
I mean, I thought I heard somebody. I got my dude. What I was telling you.
Were you naked? Were you naked?
Listen, I was dressed when she walked by. I was getting everything in order.
At any point in time, could you face towards her with your junk out or with your penis out?
I turned because I was suddenly, listen,
Did you make any comments to her? Did you talk to her at all?
I said, hey, let's not do this. Whoa, you're filming. Whoa, wait, stop. I asked her to stop. That's what happened.
With your out? Because I'm going to tell you right now, I know your penis was out.
Yeah, this is sick.
I get locked up.
Oh, you're going to jail. All right, go stand up. That's all I need. Face that way for me. You got cuffs on your deacons?
Tough, yeah.
I appreciate it. All right, you understand what you're getting charged with? Indecent exposure. Your penis is out. You showed it to a juvenile girl. You also might be charged with offenses. So you're probably going to be registered as a sex offender.
No.
Yeah, man.
No,
Yeah,
I mean, man, I swear to God.
Swear to
I don't know why
God.
you think this is a place to come and be naked, but it's not.
Don't bring him in it.
I'm going to call Gomez real quick to see if she wants to do anything else with CID before
You got something here. I just asked you.
He's got a knife. I think he said something about a knife.
Yeah. I thought he took it earlier.
No, I didn't take it, remember?
I just asked you what else do you have.
I didn't feel it.
Martin Club called in and advised that you were supposed to meet her there at 2 p.m.
10-4. Just let her know I'm on the way now.
10-4. Anything else that you have that we need to be aware of?
Anything that's going to poke us, any kind of any narcotics,
No.
anything like that?
Belt?
No belt.
Anything in your shoes?
No, nothing is my shoe.
Also, you've been trespassing in the park. You can never come back there ever again. Come back and get arrested. If you live in Coke, I don't know what you're doing in Rockledge, man. What's this? What is this? Right here. What is this?
I don't know. Let me see.
I can't. I don't. Old keys. Why are they inside the pants? What's this?
I forgot they were so in there. That's like.
You had them sewed in? Stop, hey, stop reaching. You sit still.
I just put them in there when I walked up.
Okay. You in contact with her parents?
Not yet.
Can we do that? Expedite that because you're taking this?
I mean, he gave it to you. You know what I mean?
Right.
Gregory was charged with felony exposure of sexual organs, second offense, and solicitation for prostitution. The solicitation charge was dropped, and the felony exposure charge was reduced to a misdemeanor charge, which he was subsequently found guilty of. He was sentenced to 1 year of probation, $487 court costs, and 3 days in the Brevard County Detention Center.
I'm telling you, these weirdos never get in trouble for these XXX crimes, man. A fine dropped down to a misdemeanor. She got video evidence. Why is it that in the United States, weirdo crimes like this never get any real time? Grape charges, all these different type of weirdo charges, never any real time, man. And I know I worked behind the bars. Do they get their justice in prison? Yeah. Yeah. But most of the time, these guys don't get no significant time. 2 years, maybe. Max 2 years, maybe. The only time you ever see them getting any real time is if it was a grape and unaliving or something like that. You know what I mean? Something like that. Or if it was going on for, years and years and years of abuse or something like that. That's the only time you would see them getting any significant time. But if you got let's say you got a child, right? A little girl, right? And whatever. Let's just take, this happens a lot, right? Let's say you got a single mom who's dating a boyfriend, right? And the single mom has a child, whether it's boy or girl or whatever. The boyfriend abuses the child, right? If it just happened maybe once, twice, whatever, right? Guy gets caught, whatever. Barely getting any time. Barely getting any time. That child is scarred for life. Is now gonna have to deal with all types of traumas and stuff like that. Even dealing with something like this, what this one went through. She's going to the park to skate. Whatever. She's probably got some things going on in her life, whatever. She ain't going to school. She ain't whatever. She's an outcast. Go to get some peace of mind, skate. You got this grandpa looking dude coming up being a weirdo trying to get down with that. Like, is a girl supposed to forget about that and like pretend like that never happened? No, like you're gonna need to speak to a counselor. You're gonna need to speak to a therapist or something, things like that. Things like that affect the way that, if it happens to a woman, it affects the way that she might view men in the future. Not every man is a weirdo. You know what I'm saying? And the same thing with girls. Not every woman is a weirdo. You see these female teachers nowadays, they getting caught with more and more, so it works both ways. But who's out here to help the victims, man? Because they're not gonna get no time, they're not gonna get no real punishment, and they're gonna be right back out doing the same thing that they was doing that got them in there until they get caught again. Oh well, they ain't gonna get no time. Sad situation, man. But I get a cops 5 out of 5. But of course, the judicious system lets us down. The courts, they let us down once again. I'm glad you made it till the end of the video. Before you go, if you want early access to YouTube videos before they get let out to the public, please consider becoming a channel member. And if you want exclusive access to videos that will not be on YouTube, please consider becoming a Patreon member. And I'll catch you in the next video. The links are in the description box.